Hi, my name is Amarjot Singh. I'm a carpentry trainer. I have been working in the industry from last 5 years. I'm working with VIT from last year. VIT is one of the reputed name in the education industry who provide the quality educations in vocational courses. We have fully equipped workshops where you can learn how to use different types of carpentry tools and equipments. We do everything to help our students to understanding more about the construction industry.
Hi, I'm Hasid Vikramasinghe. A couple of years ago, I joined VIT as a student. We're doing at the moment all the practicals we apply for our basically my job. So it's very easy for us to apply doing my job.
I am Agostino Notaro. I started school almost 2 years ago. In the VIT, they teach me everything from the general from the first thing you can learn in carpentry. And we start from the slab. We now reach the rooftop. So they help us on everything. So now we are ready to work in the construction world. So I'm really happy here.